Hello everybody, this is George with Melnick's Automotive. In this video I would like to show you how to reset time to change oil, time to inspect tires light on a 2016 Subaru Forester XT. This will also work on different models of Subaru. It's basically the same exact thing and older years. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and use these buttons here. I'm gonna use the middle button. I'm gonna pull it and hold it for a few seconds and the screen will change to this screen here. I apologize, maybe the graphics are not the best. I'm using my phone for this video. Next, what I'm gonna use, there's up and down buttons right here. So I'm gonna scroll down to maintenance and I'm gonna use the middle button to select it. And it says engine oil. We're gonna reset it. You're gonna get this kind of a screen. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the bottom buttons here. You could set yourself like a 3 months thing or mileage. I like to set it for mileage, so I'm gonna scroll down to mileage and I'm gonna select it and I'm gonna set it to 3,000 miles. Even though we use synthetic, so you could set yourself to 5,000 miles. We're using synthetic Mobile 1. But I like to change my oil every 3,000, as I believe the viscosity of the oil breaks down after 3,000 miles regardless. So I'll slap a new oil filter and I'll put virgin oil in the motor, so I would always be running fresh oil through the motor. So we're gonna head and reset that, and we're gonna hit set button. Since I was talking, I probably have to go back in there and make sure it's still set. And we're gonna do the same thing to since I was talking, never saved it. So we're gonna go 3,000 miles and then we're gonna have to hold set button. There you go. That was done. Now we're gonna go back to oil filter, back to maintenance, oil filter, same thing. We're gonna scroll down, select it, go to 3,000 miles as well, and then we're gonna set it. Setting complete. We're gonna go back to tires. Same thing. You could go by date if you would like. And the tires, we're gonna set them up for 5,000 miles to rotate our tires. Okay, when I turn the car off and when I turn the car back on, there will be, all the messages will be reset. They're all in green, as you can see, no more yellow, and there's no more messages coming back on. Once again, thanks for watching. This was George with Melnick's Automotive.